Hey, what's up everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. How you doing? Today I have another GT350 on the dyno. Now, a lot of you have been watching our Whipple Supercharge videos asking, what do you have for these naturally aspirated? Well, today this car has our Stage 2 power package, which includes an SCT handheld programmer and our calibration, a JLT cold air intake, a set of Kooks headers, and of course a Cat X pipe. So let's roll the drums and see what kind of power this car makes. Not a bad pull, 507 real horsepower, 409 torque. That's pretty awesome. This is a Dynojet chassis dyno, and this is rated in SAE. And some of you get confused, the difference between SAE and standard is just like a correction factor. But let me show you the difference when you switch from SAE to standard, because it is important, because a lot of people look at different dyno graphs and they don't understand that one is higher than the other. So right here is your SAE rating. So we had 507 rear wheel horsepower, rated SAE, and I can flip this right over here to standard, and now, whoa, we made 520. So it really didn't like make more power, it's just a correction factor it's using. The engine's exactly still the same horsepower. But anyways, that's a Dynojet dyno rated SAE, 507 rear wheel horsepower and 409 torque. Pretty cool. So there you have it. Pretty sweet naturally aspirated GT350. For those of you not looking for a supercharger, that's a really good option. And if you're not looking for headers, you can always get the Stage 1, which is a handheld programmer and a calibration, as well as the JLT cold air intake. Still a great way to pick up power and torque, as well as throttle response to make the car a little bit quicker. And that's all available at brenspeed.com through mail order, or come on in for an installation. Please subscribe, leave a comment. I'll answer your questions. Thanks.